Yes, sir, man. Just let you guys know, man, the struggle is real, man. But you already know when I'm here, bare minimum, man. Bare minimum, no cap. But nevertheless, I am one of these apartments. I am currently at work, for you guys to see. I'm up here on the second floor. I realized it wasn't busy up here, so I figured I'd come up here and just kind of take advantage of the opportunity. So last night, I did post on Instagram that I did, no, actually it wasn't last night, I'm tripping. Yeah, last night I did share a trade I seen on, it was on EU. I traded AU. I don't know how I got that shit confused, but like I told you guys, I'm demo trading a 100K account and on FTMO, and if I pass it, I'm gonna go ahead and fund my FTMO challenge for a 100K account, and I'm gonna be intraday and I'm gonna be swinging trading. I can't scalp unless I take a day off work. Scalp is my cup of tea, but I already see what it is. I've been back testing. I've been just locked in, just getting my intraday and my swing trade down pat, but I got it. But like I was gonna tell you guys, on my previous Instagram story, I'm gonna throw up a clip right here. Yes, sir, bare minimum shit at work, man, no cap, so check it. I entered this EU trade and I also shit on my Instagram story last night. All right, so price gave me, it was creating lower lows, lower highs, whatnot. I had a resistance up there. Also entered at a 1 hour order block. Let me go to a 1 hour so you guys can see real quick. Bam, had a 1 hour order block. I enter at the top over here. Bam, at the breaker structure. And I have my stop loss at the top of the resistance, man. It kept playing games today. Not once, but twice, but it's floating. It's on my 100K FTMO. I told myself, once I go ahead and pass this thing, man, I'm going for a 100K challenge, man, to get funded, man. Stop playing. Bare minimum shit. Stop playing, you dig? Apparently, as you guys can see, I did give a EU breakdown, but I traded AU. So I'm here to give you guys my AUD USD breakdown that I actually did see last night, and I did place my trade. So here it is. So here's my AUD USD on the daily. Bam. I realized that price created this daily order block, right? Price created this daily order block after it changed character. We got to pull back. So now by just looking at this alone, I'm realizing that I'm going to be looking for sales. My buyers are straight bears, like bearish. So, all right, I'm going to go down there to a 2 hour, and on a 2 hour time frame, load up, man. I'm connected to my iPhone. Connect to my iPhone 11, not my iPhone 14. But anyways, on a 2 hour, I realized that we have some support resistance. I put my support resistance lines. This is something I'm actually start back doing. I started trading with support resistance. Then I started doing supply and demand. So now I'm back on implementing my support resistance. So what I did realize we had some resistance up here and also support. And the same here, same there, whatever. So I told myself I want to intraday trade this. I want to let this trade run for a few days or whatnot and see what's going to go on. On a 4 hour, what I seen also, it looked a lot more cleaner. It was a lot less noises. I realized that price was under my 50 EMA, and price basically went to it and rejected it. At the same time, it bounced off it was previous support, then it bounced off the resistance, and I have a 1 hour order block down there. See, 1 hour load. I also had this 1 hour order block, this 1 hour supply. So once price came up there and it showed me some rejections and broke under this lower high, I entered my trade. I put my stop loss. I made sure it was above my resistance because price tends to come up there and wait. So I put it above the resistance at the tip of this supply. And my take profit, obviously, since price is already creating lower lows and lower highs, I put my take profit at the bottom of the last lower high. Come on now. All right, you gotta be kidding me. Now I ain't with this right now, bro. Here it is. I'm sorry for the delay, but I put my take profit at the bottom of this lower high, lower low, because I anticipated price to continue to break structure, to give a pullback, and probably continue to go down. Price have been low down here before, so I won't be surprised if price do eventually head back down that area. This is my results so far on the FTMO 10K demo. This is a demo. This is my 10K demo. Like I did say on my Instagram story, once I pass this is I risked a 0.5% for a 1.2%. So it's gonna be $1,200. I was risking $500. Hit my take profit, that's my 1%, and I'll be implementing a new trade. I don't want to have 2 trades running. I ain't gonna say I twin traded, but I 3 traded. I put $4.60 a pip because obviously it's based on my stop loss, and my take profit is gonna be, like I say, all together it'll be like 1,200. I can move these trades at break even, but I have so much confidence that it's gonna come down here. I don't want to get in the habit of putting my trades at break even, because this happened earlier. If you guys can actually see, I entered way up here, price came down and came all the way back up. So if I had my trades at break even, it'd have stumped me out and it went my way. So I just told myself, whatever trades I do place, especially if it's not scalp, if it's intraday or swing trade, and I'm very confident in it, I'm just gonna keep my stop loss where it's at, and I'm just gonna let it roll out to my TP. Or my stop loss, and I'm gonna be okay with the loss and I'm gonna be okay with the win. Right now, like, I'm floating at 725. This is a 100K account. So that's basically what it is. Like, I'm currently at work, like I said already. I'm currently at work. So that's why I had to break down, because I did some type of technical error when I did upload the story. But nevertheless, if you got any type of I'm sorry, it's gonna quit, close that. If you guys got any type of value whatsoever, or just like my content, please give me a like, a thumbs up. It will help out with the YouTube algorithm. Even if you don't like my video, man, if you could please give me a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not, because I'm gonna start dropping bangers left and right. I'm gonna start dropping videos, man. I just wanna make sure I'm consistent with it. But nevertheless, man, that'll be it for this video. Until next time, you already know what it is. Deuces.